Store, safeguard, share, and remotely access or stream your digital documents, music, videos, and photos from anywhere, at any time, with D-Link's Cloud Storage 4000, part of the Share Center family. Remotely access, stream, and sync your digital files on all your devices with the free My D-Link Cloud mobile app. You can even set up guest accounts and experience the convenience of sharing files from your Cloud Storage 4000 via WebLink. Perfect for sharing movies and photos with family and friends. The Cloud Storage 4000 features a user-friendly design for easy insertion of up to 4 hard drives without the need for tools or complicated assembly. Monitor your home or office with the integrated Surveillance Center app that works directly with your D-Link network cameras to deliver a comprehensive surveillance solution. The Cloud Storage 4000 offers the ultimate in data protection. Don't lose your precious family movies, photos, or other important files in the event of a hard drive failure. Protect your memories and give yourself peace of mind with the security and convenience of Share Center Cloud Storage 4000. Safeguard what matters most to you with D-Link's Cloud Storage 4000, the ultimate storage solution.